Hey guys, so recently I went to look at a 1976 Stingray for sale by owner, a factory 4-speed AC car, even though the compressor was gone. Asking price was $10,000. Overall it was in good condition, it presented well, it was straight, paint was okay, it was nice, 10-footer I guess you can call it. The interior needed some attention, maybe some repaint, some new parts, that sort of thing. The engine had the expected modifications, aftermarket stuff like ignition, headers. Personally, I prefer the all original cars. I think they're always better. I think the car was an L48, which doesn't mean anything, but other things that I noticed, it had an aluminum radiator, which is good. It also had the electric fans, also good, but these things were loud. There was also some kind of override switch, which I didn't understand the purpose, but anyway. The headlamps did not work properly, which is kind of common. I didn't know if it was the actuators or the relays or hoses or a combination of all three. At the end of the day, the value of the car, as I told the seller, it was about $4,500. I did not inspect the bird cage or the chassis. Most people don't have lifts in their garages, so that was not a possibility. I also did not drive the car, and those items to me are kind of contingencies before you make the final decision to purchase a vehicle. I think if you buy a Corvette Stingray, a C3 with a bad rusted bird cage, you're not buying a project, you're buying a parts car. That's again subjective in my opinion. The guesstimate for a non-frame restoration for this car would have been anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000. And again, you know, the low end is if you do most of the work except the paint. But if you have to pay someone to do stuff, you're going to end up paying a lot more than $25 probably. So anyway, I hope this was entertaining, maybe even helpful. I would appreciate your comments, see what you think, and share your thoughts and ideas. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.